How to download Adobe Photoshop for free on your PC or Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your browser, search for Adobe Suite and then open up the very first link. And this is where it will take you. Open up all the products, then search for Photoshop over here, or you can get this one as well. Simply click on it and wait for it to load. After that, click on this option of free trial over here. And here you can just simply select the Photoshop plan and then continue with it. And you would get it for 7 days for free. And make sure that you cancel your subscription before 14 days are over. Otherwise, you will be charged for this particular subscription. So make sure to cancel it up on time. And this is the only legal way to get it for free. If you want a heavy discount on it, then you can go with the student and the teachers one, and then there is no verification required in this particular way as well. So you just have to get as a student. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.